This is Carol Roy with Virtual Strategy Magazine on the floor at VMworld 2009. My HP panel continues, this time with Shay Mowlem, the Director of Virtualization Strategy, Software and Solutions. And I know there's more to the title, but we're just going to stick with that one for this recording. How's that, Shay?
Sounds good, Carol.
Excellent. Well, thanks so much for being here with us today. Now, let's talk about management of virtualization. The management of virtualization environments it's a constant concern of how to do it, especially as the technology evolves so rapidly as it tends to do in this industry. HP is really helping professionals navigate and succeed with the HP Operations Manager for virtualization and HP Network Automation. How do each of these work, and how do they work in concert?
Very important question, Carol. If you look at what we're doing at HP Software, we're really bringing an integrated view and management and governance of IT systems in the data center to manage production, mission-critical applications. And so what we've done with Operations Center is really expand it to provide visibility into all performance and event-related data across all infrastructure tiers, network, storage, servers, physical and virtual, with a service context, so that there's a mechanism by which to actually aggregate all this data, make sense of it, understand what services it's affecting, and what issues are root issues and which ones are cause issues, so that as IT organizations and ops bridges are really managing this highly diversified, mobile, agile, and amorphous environment, they can make sense of all this important data and take the right action as quickly as possible.
Now, HP does support vSwitch. What does that support mean for your customers? What are the advantages they're going to see from that relationship?
Great question, Carol. I think if you really think about what's happening with virtual servers, increasingly we're seeing new capabilities like virtual switches actually exist on the server itself. And this is great. However, from a network perspective, it's an important component that the network administrators have to have visibility into and be able to manage as part of their network ecosystem. And so what we've done is take our market leadership solutions around network monitoring, network management, and automation for compliance and change execution, and extended the management ecosystem of physical network devices to now include virtual switches like the one from ESX, so that the network administrators are able to discover and manage that as part of an integrated environment. And this allows them to very quickly determine if there's an issue, what virtual machine may be tied to that potential problem, and resolve and enforce compliance, resolve issues and enforce compliance more holistically across the integrated infrastructure.
So what are we going to find at the HP booth here at VMworld that plays in your arena?
We've got some great demos and information about Operations Manager, as I mentioned, and how we've integrated with vCenter to really aggregate the core data across virtual systems and provide very consistent and clear insight into what these issues are related to virtual infrastructure. But also, if you look at automation, we have a great demo that ties together integrated use cases, automating execution across vCenter and the automation capabilities that we provide as well.
Shay, thanks so much for taking some time and chatting with us today. It's been a pleasure.
My pleasure. Thank you.